Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Thank you for joining me on my channel. I'm Crystal and this is Dabble Dabble Do. And on my channel I just do a bunch of different things. I do subscription boxes, I do projects, DIYs, all sorts of things. And today I'm going to be doing a unboxing of Facetory. It's a subscription box for beauty and skincare. So it comes in a box, in a bag first, and then inside of the bag, I haven't looked in this, I just got it. So let's see. It comes in a cute little box like this, and it did fit in like a medium-sized mailbox. I don't know, if I always wonder if my boxes are going to fit in my mailbox or not. And so anyway, there's that. So I'm just going to open it up and get started. It comes in like this. It has a little pamphlet. I got the Lux Plus. It was $40. I got it on a discount, so it was $43.99. The original price is $49.99. And it comes with 5 to 6 sheet masks and then also 5 to 6 full-size beauty products. And so it looks like... here it is, and then inside it tells you how to use it. A routine. This is a routine. They didn't have the summer one, so when I first subscribed, this is my first subscription. So they gave me like a starter kit. It's pretty cute. Let's see, I'm excited. It has all the different products. Let's see if it has all of them. Okay, so there's a little pamphlet. Okay, so this isn't what I was thinking it was going to be. This is different than what I thought I was going to get. Because I thought the starter kit said, I was like looking on YouTube videos for reviews, and I saw it also online, and this isn't what I was expected, but this is cool too. Like, I'm pretty excited to see what I got. It's a surprise. It's definitely a surprise. Let's see. So, let's start with the first one here. It says I'll just read this off. It says the perfect routine. Do you ever get confused when you think about a skincare routine? If so, here's a tried and true routine that will never fail you. And then it explains like how to wash your face. Okay, so the Cloud Puff Foam Cleanser. Okay, so that's this here. And it's kind of cute. They have this little bee here on their packaging, which is really cute if you like packaging. Like some people like the packaging. Okay, and it comes in this thing. It's pretty big size. It has 5.7 ounces. Has the directions here. Facetory.com. Says no artificial fragrance and no harsh chemicals. It's cruelty free and it's plant-based approved. So that's really cool. Oh, I have to open this. So I'll just open it, and it's a face wash. Let's see. It smells natural, and there's no hard, like they said, no hard chemical smell or anything. I'm really excited to try this. This is right up my alley. Okay, and then it has here the ingredients, so you know exactly what's in your face products. It has directions on here. Cool, so it helps moisturize the skin while offering antibacterial, anti-inflammatory properties. It's an oat extract, a calming ingredient that helps the skin relax. Oat extracts help smooth and hydrate the skin. So that's that on there. Super cute. Okay, so that's this one. I love like more natural products, especially on your face. You don't want it to smell like, you know, like you're just a lot of perfume. I don't personally like that. Okay, so let's see. The next one is the Hydro Multi Shield Defense Logic, which I think it's this one here. And let's open this. Let's see. Okay, so this has SPF 50, Hydro Multi Shield. Did I get the summer box? This looks like the reviews from the summer box, which they said on their website they were out. But that's cool, I got a summer box. Okay, so this has SPF 50 plus. That's pretty good. Hydro Shield. Let's read. It has like I can't really read the back of this. Let's see. Okay. So this is a lightweight daily sun essence that has SPF 50 plus to help protect the skin from UV damage, premature aging, and dark spots. So it does have, so it's basically a sunscreen. So it's like a facial sunscreen. That's cool. I've been really getting into putting on sunscreen. I used to not when I was younger, and now I try not to leave home without putting on sunscreen. Okay, and then this is the Tea Tree Cream. And it looks like, see if I can get it. Kind of looks like this. Comes in a little box here. So it looks kind of like this. Cool. So this one here says the watery cream helps relieve inflammation, control sebum production. I don't know what that is. If you know what that is, please let me know in the comments. I would really like to know what that is. I'll probably Google it anyway too. And fights blemishes. Okay. Let's see. Tea tree based formula. It looks like all of these are natural ingredients. And they list all of the ingredients here if you're curious of what is in your skincare. Oh wait, I don't think I smelled the other one. Hold on, let me smell this one first. Ooh. That is really liquidy. Kind of looks like this, if you can see that. Let's see. It smells like a spa. A very light spa-like smell. It's very creamy. Cool. This is like what again? So this one you would it says scoop a moderate amount and apply to face after toner. Pat gently for better absorption. That's pretty cool. And I'm gonna smell this because I didn't actually get a chance to smell it or open it. So it looks like this. It's like sunscreen. Let's put it on. Feels nice. My skin can get pretty dry, so I like a lot of moisturizing products. I don't have oily skin. Okay, so the next thing on here is the Botanical Olive Facial Cleansing Oil. Remove the grime and makeup from your skin with this gentle but hardworking cleansing oil. And it has year papaya fruit oil. It is packed with vitamin content to help strengthen skin. It's also great for moisturizing skin without clogging pores. So it looks like this here. And let's see. Comes into a pump like this. And this is 6.76 ounces. Has a little stopper pump. Okay, so this one, excuse me, it says massage 3 to 4 pumps onto dry face to remove impurities and rinse. Follow up with normal cleanser and proceed with skincare routine. So I'm guessing this is good for like taking off makeup and things like that. I've never tried anything like this, so that's why I got the box. I just wanted to try different things I wouldn't normally even know what to get in my beauty, my facial stuff. But now that I'm getting older and I'm like more into it, I'm really curious about how to take care of my skin and stuff. So, okay, the next one, green tea eye mask. I'm almost for sure this is from the summer box, which I saw a bunch of reviews on this and they said they were sold out, but I got one, which is kind of cool. Actually, yeah, I think I did. Okay, cool. So this is a green tea mask, a refreshing eye mask made of water-soluble, pure hydrogel texture. This cooling and depuffing eye mask delivers moisture and boost of nutrients right to your delicate under eye. And then again, they have the ingredients, and it's all natural. It says, after cleansing and toning, remove the mask from the package and apply onto a clean, dry under eye area. Repeat on the other side. Remove after 20 to 30 minutes, and gently pat the essence into the skin. This is a really nice, cute box. Okay, let's see. Under eye. Okay, this is so fancy. Okay, so it has, well, I think it's kind of fancy because I don't normally get stuff like this, so it's kind of a treat for me. Ooh, that's weird. Oh my gosh, that's pretty gross. There's some iPads on there. That's so cool. I cannot wait to try this. I think I'm going to take this stuff home with me when I go to visit, and me, my sisters, and my mom can try it. I think that would be really cool. But I'll probably try all this stuff tonight. If you do want to see a video of me trying this stuff, just go ahead and let me know. If not, I'm not going to waste my time. Okay, so if you don't want to see it, I mean, maybe I'll just do a video. I don't know. We'll see. Okay. I think I got a bonus. Oh, no. That was in here. Did we look at this? Yeah, I did. Okay, cool. All right. And then you also get, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I got 5 on full product sizes, and then I also got some sheet masks. So I'm not going to go over each sheet mask, but this is a chamomile one. It comes with 2 parts. It looks like it has like some tea bag leaves up here, and then the actual mask. So I guess you put it in this stuff here. This is a chamomile clear puffing for dull skin. And then I have this mask here. And then in the pamphlet, it also tells you everything about it. But I'm just going to go over just the, different types I got. I've tried sheet masks before. So, sheet mask. Vitamin C sheet mask. And then the Brighten here. Yeah. Cool. I'm pretty impressed of this company so far, especially since it's all cruelty-free, natural, and you get so much stuff. It is a little expensive, but it looks like so far that it's worth the money. So we'll see. I think I'm gonna keep it and see what I get next month. I think this is a 3-month, so I'll get this every 3 months. or every season or every 3 months, I think. So when I get my next one, I'll do an unboxing and see if I actually want to keep this subscription or not. So thank you so much for joining me, and if you have any questions, please let me know, and I will go ahead and link down the link, so if you do want to try this, you can just click on it and check it out for yourself. Right, well, thanks, and I'll see you later. Bye.